Meet the summer super weeder. For maximum residue flow, the Vibra S-tines are spaced just 5 inches apart with 16-inch spacing between ranks. With hydraulic depth control, operators can fine-tune their working depth or rotate the S-tines completely out of the ground for harrow-only operation. Extend the S-tines behind the wheels and ensure tracks are fully covered. Behind the tines, the 5-bar Culta harrow goes to work. Its 3/8 by 14-inch tooth design shatters even the smallest clods, levels the fields, and firms a seed bed for ideal planting conditions. At the heart of the machine, an oversized 8 by 8-inch drawbar tube delivers unmatched strength and pulling power, bigger and stronger than anything else in its class. The Super Weeder's 22-foot hitch is built tough with 4 by 8-inch steel tubing. Its cable auto-folding design makes transport simple. Hydraulically release are locked right from the tractor seat. And for added peace of mind, a built-in safety spring and manual valve to prevent accidental release in case of hydraulic pressure loss. The Super Weeder. Strength, control, and the perfect seed bed all in one pass.